Hello viewers, today we are talking about a helpful tool that let you upgrade to Windows 11 24H2. Windows 11 version 24H2 even on unsupported hardware. According to developer, the app includes our working method to bypass the usual restriction when installing Windows 11 version 24H2. Flyby11 can fetch Windows images and platform in place upgrades using the Windows Server method, which skip most hardware checks. You can bypass requirements like secure boot, TPM 2.0, and unsupported CPUs. If you already have a Windows ISO file, you can simply drag and drop it into the tool. If you don't, the app can also download the image for you. Now version 3 of Flyby11 has just been released and is available for download on GitHub. Based on the release notes and what the developer share, the app now support using the media creation tool as a new download method, which is a smart edition. If you pick that option, you can watch a tutorial within the app, and if the Faro downloader, which is the recommended method, doesn't work for you, maybe because the ISO language doesn't match your system, the media creation tool is suggested instead. It usually grabs the ISO in your system language and according to the developer. It also gives you the best chance of keeping your file sitting in apps after the upgrade. Aside from the improvement, the changelog on GitHub mention other update in version 3 like better ISO mounting using PowerShell for more reliable drive detection, hardware handling of bypass option like comfort, ignore wearing, and migrate drivers, all adding Hungarian language support, update Japanese translation. I will leave the GitHub link below where you can download either the old version 3.6 or the latest release. Just a quick note, while I make this video about bypassing system requirements, I personally don't recommend doing it and using tool like this is at your own risk. That said, many users have left positive feedback on Flyby11, especially over the last year. So I just want to keep you all update in the case this is something you are interested in. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.